Did you know there are over 37 million YouTube channels vying for attention as of 2021? That's more than 5 times the population of New York City. It's a massive platform that's bustling with creators and content, each trying to carve out their own corner of the YouTube universe. It's like a metropolis of creativity, but with such a vast number of channels, competition becomes fiercer by the day. The sheer volume of content being created and uploaded every second can be overwhelming. It's not just about producing great content anymore, it's about managing your channel effectively, standing out from the crowd, and reaching your audience amidst the noise. That's a lot to handle, especially if you're a one-person show. Luckily, there are tools designed to help navigate this bustling platform, making channel management easier and more efficient. With such a crowded platform, managing your YouTube channel effectively becomes crucial, and that's where TubeBuddy comes into play. Imagine trying to manage your YouTube channel without any help. It's like trying to navigate a bustling city without a map. You're juggling tasks left and right, from brainstorming ideas to creating content, all the while keeping a keen eye on your channel's performance. Every task seems to take ages. You're constantly copying and pasting the same responses, creating the same cards and annotations over and over again. You're spending precious hours on tasks that don't directly contribute to your creativity or the growth of your channel. Then, there's the challenge of tracking your performance. Without the right tools, it's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. You're sifting through mountains of data, trying to figure out what it all means, and how you can use it to your advantage. And let's not forget about optimization. Finding the right keywords, knowing the best time to post, it all seems like guesswork. It's not impossible, but it's certainly not efficient. The good news is there's a better way. Welcome to TubeBuddy, your best friend when it comes to YouTube channel management. It's a game-changing browser extension and mobile app designed to help content creators like you streamline their operations and enhance their video content. TubeBuddy is the secret weapon in your YouTube arsenal, equipping you with a suite of tools that take the guesswork out of crafting the perfect video. From keyword research and SEO tools to advanced analytics, TubeBuddy provides everything you need to grow your channel and connect with your audience. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just getting started, TubeBuddy's features can help you save time, optimize your videos, and make data-driven decisions about your content. It's like having a team of YouTube experts in your pocket, ready to help you at every step of your creative journey. With TubeBuddy, managing your YouTube channel becomes a breeze. Scene script. TubeBuddy is not just a tool, it's a game changer. Imagine having a personal assistant who takes care of the nitty-gritty details of your YouTube channel, freeing up your time to focus on crafting engaging content. That's TubeBuddy for you. One of the most significant benefits of TubeBuddy is its power to supercharge your productivity. From creating templates for cards and annotations to the video topic planner, TubeBuddy offers an array of tools to streamline your creative process. Picture this: you find yourself repeatedly creating the same YouTube card for your videos. With TubeBuddy, you can create a template and save yourself from this repetitive task. The video topic planner is another boon. It allows you to save your video ideas or suggestions from viewers and arrange them in a queue. You'll never have to worry about forgetting your next great video idea. Now, let's talk about the bulk tools. Imagine you have a YouTube card linking to your website and all your videos, but you've just changed your website. With TubeBuddy's bulk update tool, you can update the link in all your existing cards at once. The bulk thumbnail overlays tool is equally impressive. If you want to add a logo to all your existing video thumbnails, TubeBuddy can do that in one go. TubeBuddy also shines in the realm of data and research tools. A standout feature is the best time to publish tool. This tool analyzes your audience's demographics and shows you the best times to upload your videos. This could greatly influence the number of views you receive, optimizing your reach. And let's not forget the View and Copy Video Tags tool, a real time saver. It allows you to peek at the tags other creators are using, enabling you to understand their keyword strategies and potentially outdo them. You can even copy these tags for your own videos, saving you from the chore of writing out tags that should be the same as ones on an existing video. In short, TubeBuddy takes the busy work out of channel management so you can focus on creating great content. So, what does all this mean for you and your YouTube channel? It means TubeBuddy is your buddy indeed, a veritable game changer for your channel's performance and your overall YouTube journey. Picture this: with TubeBuddy, you can streamline your workflow and automate tasks that once consumed your time. The productivity tools we've discussed, like the video topic planner and bulk copy tools, transform your channel management into a smooth, efficient process. Instead of getting bogged down by repetitive tasks, you can focus on what you love most, creating engaging content. But TubeBuddy does more than just save you time, it offers you a strategic edge. With features like view and copy video tags, you can peek into your competitors' strategies, learn from their successes, and seize opportunities they may have missed. And it's not just about competition. This tool can also foster collaboration by helping you identify trending tags within your niche. Furthermore, TubeBuddy's Best Time to Publish feature takes the guesswork out of scheduling your videos. No more posting in the dark and hoping for the best. This tool uses data to guide you, showing you when your specific audience is most active. This means your videos have a better chance of being seen, liked, and shared, leading to increased viewer engagement. And remember the bulk thumbnail overlays tool? That's another ace up your sleeve. By adding a consistent logo to all your thumbnails, you build brand recognition. Your videos become instantly recognizable in a sea of content. Finally, let's not forget the analytics. TubeBuddy's comprehensive data and research tools provide deeper insights into your channel's performance. They help you understand what works, what doesn't, and where there's room for improvement. So in essence, TubeBuddy is not just a toolset, it's a catalyst for your channel's growth. It helps you work smarter, not harder, and equips you with the knowledge and resources to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube. With TubeBuddy, not only can you manage your channel more efficiently, but you also get the insights and tools you need to grow your channel. In the end, the question isn't why should you use TubeBuddy, but rather, why wouldn't you? With TubeBuddy, you're not just getting a tool, but also a companion that helps you navigate the complex world of YouTube. It's like having a personal assistant who's always ready to help, reducing your workload and increasing your productivity. Remember how we talked about its powerful productivity tools? They're designed to automate repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on your creative process. With features like video topic planner, bulk copy tools, and bulk thumbnail overlays, TubeBuddy ensures that you're always one step ahead. And let's not forget its data and research tools, especially the invaluable Best Time to Publish feature. This tool alone can drastically improve your video's reach, ensuring your content gets the visibility it deserves. So don't just stand on the sidelines. Embrace TubeBuddy and watch your YouTube journey become a whole lot easier and more successful. Remember, in the crowded world of YouTube, having a buddy like TubeBuddy can make all the difference.